Welcome to Black Lotus Tattoo in Gilbert, Arizona. Step inside their modern and inviting studio designed to provide a comfortable and inspiring environment. The clean and professional space ensures that every client feels at ease from the moment they walk through. For 17 years, Black Lotus Tattoo has been dedicated to bringing your vision to life with precision, creativity, and a commitment to quality. The clean and professional space ensures that every client feels at ease from the moment they walk through the door. The team of highly skilled artists specializes in a wide range of tattoo styles, from intricate black and gray realism to vibrant color work and everything in between. Each artist brings their unique flair and expertise, ensuring that your tattoo is a true reflection of your personal style. Their artists are here to make your tattoo dreams a reality. Consider Black Lotus Tattoo for your next tattoo. Book your consultation today and become a part of the Black Lotus Tattoo family.